everyone, welcome to your health/cooking class. I know that we've been cooking at school and you guys are getting really good at following recipes and cutting with knives and things like that. But I want you to remember, if you're cutting at home, remember to ask permission from your parents and get supervision when you're using the knives, okay? This week we're talking about immunity building. And one thing everyone's talking about is vitamin C. It's very important to eat vitamin C. And you can get vitamin C, we all know, from oranges, right? Oranges are high in vitamin C, and so those are great to eat. But also, I found that bell peppers, particularly the red bell peppers, have twice as much vitamin C as the oranges. So eating your red peppers is going to give you your vitamin C. Now, I found a recipe where you can put the bell peppers in. Now, bell peppers are not spicy, right? They're sweet. And so we're gonna put them in a salad. And I love kale. So I went to on O'Mell Road, they have, a farmer is selling their produce right now. And I bought this red bell pepper there, and I bought this kale, and they called this kind of kale dinosaur kale, and I thought that sounded really cool. So I bought dinosaur kale, and I just chopped it up really thin here, little thin slices. And I looked up how to season kale. And if you do it the Italian way, you use a little bit of olive oil, and you just sprinkle some olive oil on top, and then you take some salt. I have some Himalayan sea salt here, and you sprinkle some salt on there, right? And then you massage the kale, right? You just squish it, massage it right here. See, I'm squishing it. Massage the kale until it becomes a little bit more limp, a little bit like that. So we want to get the kale all massaged and the olive oil in there and the salt all mixed in. And when you're done, then you can add in your bell peppers. So I chopped them into little tiny pieces here, and you just spread that onto your kale. And I also saw that if you add a little bit of lemon, and so I cut the lemon in half, but you need to squeeze it. See my fingers, all the kale all over them. Squeeze it into a bowl first, because I found that I was squeezing lemons the other day and the seeds fell into my salad, and I didn't like the seeds in my salad. So squeeze it out first into the bowl, and then you'll have to pick your seeds out. Now, of course, I know you washed your hands, right? Every time before we cook, we wash our hands, and that's one of the biggest immunity builders right there, right? To get all the germs off your hands. I washed my hands. So just put your lemon on top of your kale, and just mix it around, massage it around, get your kale all like that. And this is really good for you, let me tell you why. Kale is, anything that is green and leafy is really good for your immunity. It helps your body fight things, especially things like cancer and heart disease. And the bell peppers are helping with the vitamin C, which is building our immune system. Lemons have vitamin C, help build our immune system, make our body alkaline. And this salad, I think it looks really good. I dare you to try it. If you have any kale, if you have any red bell peppers, but you don't have to. If you have just regular lettuce, just use that if you can. But here is our kale, red pepper salad with lemon, olive oil, and salt dressing. All right, have a great day, guys.